Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration and differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So I need to put this one go to the right. Next, I need to put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will concentrate about this one only. We need to use about integration by parts. So I need to put about u equals to s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And you got about the u equals to the s. First derivative of s, you got about number 1. Next, we have the v equals to e to the power of s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to e to the power of s. Next, we have u multiplied by v. So we have s e to the power of s minus we have the u multiplied by v, so we have the integration e to the power of s ds. So the integration of this one, we have e to the power of s, and we put about c. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of y to the power of 5, we have y to the power of 6 over 6 minus y. And this is the final answer, but we have the conditions. So that means when s equal to number 0, y equals to number 0, so we put number 0 gone here and here, number 0 gone here and here to find the value of c. So this one you got about 0. This one we have number 1. This one we have 0. And now we got about c equals to number 1. So we put negative number 1 go to the right. And now we go back in here. And then I will put number 1 in here. And we have the final solution of this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.